Want to make cooking easier and more enjoyable? You're in for a treat. In this video, we'll show you 17 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Elevate your bread slicing experience with the TITPOP bread slicer. This upgraded slicer is crafted from high-quality, lightweight plastic for safe, barb-free operation. At 13.98 its L by 9.05 W by 6.29 H, it features an adjustable width to fit various bread sizes. The multifunctional design includes a split construction for easy folding and storage. A handy bottom tray collects crumbs and doubles as a serving plate. Non-slip features ensure stability during use. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe down the slicer and use the drainage holes for easy drying. The integrated holes also allow for hanging storage when not in use. Enhance your baking experience with the Nordic Ware Baker's Delight set. Part of the top-rated Naturals Bakeware collection, these pans are crafted from pure aluminum, ensuring superior heat conductivity for consistently evenly browned baked goods every time. Built for lifetime durability, these premium pans will never rust, guaranteeing years of reliable use. The encapsulated galvanized steel rims prevent warping, maintaining the pan's Sensaorte shape through countless baking sessions. This ultimate set includes 3 essential pans: a quarter sheet, a jelly roll, and a half-sheet pan. Each piece is designed to meet different baking needs, from cookies to jelly rolls and everything in between. Enhance your baking and snacking experience with Amazon Basics silicone round baking cups. This 12-pack of reusable cups in assorted colors is perfect for baking muffins, cupcakes, and even serving snacks or lunch items. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these cups are designed for repeated use. They fit any standard muffin pan and resist stains and odors, maintaining their quality over time. The flexible, non-stick surface ensures effortless food release without the need for greasing or cooking spray. Cleanup is a breeze. Stuck-on messes easily fall off with just a bit of soap, and they're dishwasher safe for added convenience. Elevate your cooking experience with the hoforife glass olive oil dispenser bottle. This 2-in-1 design allows you to pour or spray oil effortlessly. Choose between 2 spray modes: a steady stream with gentle pressure or a fine mist with quick, repeated presses. Using the bottle is a breeze. Simply press open or lock to control pouring and tap the metal button on top for spraying. A built-in metal filter prevents clogging, while the flip-top design and wide opening make refilling simple. Crafted from food-grade glass, this dispenser is safe, odor-free, and BPA-free. Cleaning is quick. Just rinse with water and brush. For stubborn residue, use diluted alcohol. With a generous 6-quart capacity, this pot is perfect for family gatherings and can handle cooking, baking, and stewing up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Its innovative circulating shower lid design locks in moisture and nutrients, ensuring your food stays flavorful and tender. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coating. For tough stains, simply soak in warm water and use baking soda or mild detergent. Avoid abrasive tools to preserve the pot's surface. This Dutch oven is compatible with various heat sources, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. You can even use it on a grill. From cooking to roasting to chilled storage, this pot does it all. Discover the ECOSELF juicer machine, your perfect companion for fresh, nutrient-rich juices. This upgraded juicer features a spacious 4.35-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. Despite its generous 40-ounce capacity, the compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Powered by a high-performance motor, this cold-press juicer efficiently separates pulp from juice, delivering pure, great-tasting results. The cold-press technology maximizes nutrient retention and reduces oxidation, ensuring you get the most vitamins from your favorite fruits and vegetables. Elevate your cooking experience with the SENSARTE non-stick ceramic sauté pan. Experience effortless cooking with its super non-stick surface. Watch as eggs glide across the pan, allowing you to create flavorful dishes using less oil. The versatile design features a deep surface and large capacity, perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, and frying without splatters. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, this pan ensures fast, even heat distribution thanks to its stainless steel base and cast aluminum construction. No more hot spots or warping over time. Maximize your kitchen efficiency with the Kitstorack dish drying rack. This rack features an expandable design, stretching from 16.5 to 27 inches in length to fit any countertop. Experience extra-large capacity with this versatile rack. When fully extended, it easily holds over 10 plates, 4 pans, 6 cups, 30 pieces of tableware, and 6 bowls. The adjustable raised bracket adapts to various sizes of pans and cutting boards, while a heightened fence prevents items from falling. Enjoy the convenience of an auto drainage system. The tilted drain board and 360-degree rotatable spout allow you to position the rack for optimal water drainage into your sink. Discover the ultimate solution for bathroom clutter with the Vtopmart Bathroom Storage Organizer. This versatile organizer transforms your vanity, countertop, or under-sink area into a well-organized space. Perfect for cosmetics, toiletries, cleaning supplies, and more, it's also ideal for kitchen and pantry use. Assembly is a breeze, no tools required. In just minutes, you'll have a stable, pull-out organizer ready to use. Measuring 11.8 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 10 inches high, it fits comfortably around sink pipes, maximizing vertical storage in tight spaces. Experience convenience with 2 slide-out drawers featuring built-in handles and tracks to prevent swaying. Elevate your entertaining experience with Kate Aspen's gold-striped drinking glasses. These vintage-inspired glasses feature elegant embossing, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your home bar or dining table. Versatile and stylish, these 13-ounce glasses are perfect for any cold beverage, from refreshing cocktails to iced tea, coffee, or juice. Their substantial weight feels luxurious in hand, while the retro boho aesthetic is sure to impress your guests. Measuring 3 inches wide and 4.75 inches tall, these glasses make an ideal gift for newlyweds, housewarmings, or anyone who loves to entertain. Their beautiful design looks stunning on bar carts, open shelving, or behind glass cabinets. Organize your kitchen with Homer food storage containers, a versatile set designed to meet all your storage needs. Experience superior freshness with the upgraded airtight sealing system. Each container features a sealing flip and silicone ring, ensuring no air or water enters. The stackable design maximizes space efficiency in your kitchen or freezer, ideal for storing flour, sugar, rice, coffee, and more. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, these durable containers are shatter-proof and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The set comes with 40 labels and a marker, eliminating confusion between similar-looking ingredients. Elevate your dining experience with the Alata Bailey Forged Silverware set. This 20-piece collection provides service for 4, including dinner knives, forks, spoons, salad forks, and teaspoons. Crafted from high-performance 18-euro stainless steel, each piece undergoes an advanced hot forging process for enhanced durability and resistance to corrosion. The Bailey set features a unique yet timeless design with gradually flattened handles, effortlessly complementing any table setting. Whether for everyday family meals, festive gatherings, or formal occasions, this versatile flatware set rises to the occasion. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with the JXQTLINGMU Farmhouse Kitchen Pantry Cabinet. Standing at 71 inches tall, 32 inches wide, and 16 inches deep, this spacious storage solution offers ample room for all your kitchen essentials. The cabinet features adjustable shelves and generous drawers, allowing you to customize the space to your needs. Embrace farmhouse elegance with its classic barn doors and rustic wood texture, accented by sleek black metal hardware. This versatile piece effortlessly complements any decor style, adding charm to your kitchen, dining room, or any space in your home. Available in 10 vibrant colors, these bags add a pop of fun to your errands while helping you go plastic-free. These extra-large capacity bags can hold over 50 pounds each, equivalent to 2-3 plastic grocery bags. Crafted from durable polyester with reinforced seams, they're sturdy enough for heavy items like canned goods and milk gallons. The long shoulder straps make carrying your groceries a breeze. Convenience is key with BeeGreen bags. They fold easily into compact rolls or fit neatly into the included zippered pouch, perfect for unexpected shopping trips. Keep them in your car, purse, or pocket so you're always prepared. This pack of 400 pre-cut sheets, measuring 12 by 16 inches, is perfectly sized for standard half-sheet cookie pans. Say goodbye to curling edges and cutting hassles. These flat sheets are ready to use right out of the box. Crafted from extra thick 45 GSM paper, these heavy-duty sheets are coated with silicone for superior non-stick performance. The double-sided silicone coating prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. These versatile sheets are suitable for temperatures from 68 degrees to 450 degrees, perfect for use in freezers, microwaves, and ovens. Elevate your bread-making skills with the Banneton Proofing Basket Set, a comprehensive 10-tool kit designed for both novice and experienced bakers. This master pack contains everything you need to create delicious, professional-quality sourdough in your own kitchen. At the heart of this set are two premium Banneton baskets, one 10-inch round and one 10-inch oval, crafted from grade A Indonesian rattan. These naturally grown, moisture-wicking baskets ensure perfect proofing every time, with a smooth, splinter-free surface for easy release. Each tool is carefully selected to enhance your bread-making experience. This 8-ounce jar features a unique, child-friendly wrench lid design for easy opening. Simply lay it flat, pull the wrench up, press down to release the vacuum, and you're in. Engineered with double-wall vacuum insulation, this food jar keeps your soup hot for 6 hours and beverages cold for 12. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for home, work, or picnics. For maximum heat retention, pre-warm the jar with boiling water for 5 to 8 minutes before use. Enjoy worry-free transportation with the leak-proof silicone gasket, perfect for everything from pasta to milkshakes.